What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to get the crying lens or crying filter for Snapchat on the Samsung S22 Ultra. This will work for the S22 Ultra and most versions of the S22 running Android as well. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So the crying filter is one of the more popular filters or lenses that you have on Snapchat today, and it's not available with Snapchat right out of the box here. So it's actually pretty easy to find. But if you want to apply the crying filter on your snaps, what you want to do is hit the filter button here to the right of the shutter button in Snapchat. And then you want to scroll all the way to the right, and then here you'll see the Explore Lens filter. You want to hit Explore, and then in search what you want to do is type in crying. And the crying filter will be the first filter that you have available to you. And then from there, your snaps will have the crying filter applied. So there you go, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to enable and get the crying filter or the crying lens for Snapchat on Android on the Samsung S22 Ultra. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.